Hey guys, I'm Paul from Contact Renovation and Custom Homes and the host of The Art of Renovation. Today I want to showcase this kitchen that we recently renovated. Originally this home had a kind of a classic U-shaped kitchen. It had a little fireplace that was across from me. It had a kind of an interesting little bulkhead that sat down above the kitchen area. And overall it felt very tight, and the client wanted to open the space up and have a far more useful kitchen that had better flow and also something that was far more attractive overall. So the main features in this kitchen would be we've now incorporated this great island. This island allows for a lot of useful work area, also provides for seating at the end, whether it's to actually eat or to just entertain. We also have this nice little nook area, so there's an area for seating to enjoy the nice ravine views. Also somewhere to sit down and eat at the table as well. So it's a nice multi-use space. Really smart design in that regard. They've done a great job with their design and selections here. We have beautiful cabinetry, great colors that tie together really well. A very smart lighting layout. We have these great LED panel lights and a nice consistent grid. We have these beautiful pendant lights that hang down. They become both practical as far as the lighting that they provide, but it's a great design detail as well as their beautiful fixtures. Overall, some wonderful upgrades they've selected, both within their hardware and on their cabinetry. Their color, their appliance package, which is this nice black stainless steel, really classes it up, and you can see their fixtures they've selected as well, such as the faucet. Really nice touches to help tie it all together and make it a beautiful space. So if you're considering your kitchen renovation, give us a call. We're happy to help out. I'm Paul from The Art of Renovation. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Have a great one.